Day in the life of a cybersecurity analyst. Cybersecurity analysts are the defenders of digital infrastructure. But the job looks very different from how it is portrayed in films. Here is the reality. The day often begins by reviewing overnight alerts. Security monitoring tools generate large volumes of alerts. The analyst's first task is triaging these to identify which are genuine threats and which are false positives. This requires both technical knowledge and sound judgment. Investigation is a core part of the role. When a suspicious event is flagged, the analyst traces it back through logs, network traffic, and endpoint data to understand what happened and whether a response is needed. Threat intelligence work involves staying current with new attack techniques, malware variants, and vulnerabilities that are actively being exploited globally. This information shapes how the team configures defenses. Vulnerability management is another regular responsibility. Analysts review scan results, prioritize which vulnerabilities need urgent patching, and work with system owners to get fixes applied. Documentation is more important than many people expect. Every significant incident needs to be documented clearly so the team can learn from it and demonstrate their response process. Collaboration with other teams is constant. IT operations, legal, compliance, and senior leadership all interact with the security team. The role demands technical depth, analytical thinking, and the ability to communicate clearly under pressure. No 2 days are identical. That variety is part of what makes the work compelling.